Hello, everybody, and welcome to my presentation on New Directions and Checkers program at CBH Care, Comprehensive Behavioral Health Care. Their mission statement is to provide the optimum behavioral health care that is aligned to consumer and community needs. ComCare will treat individuals, families, and the community with respect and dignity regardless of race, gender, sexual orientation, disability, illness, or age. And they are committed to accessible health care services that are delivered in a cost-effective manner. They will provide this care with creative and responsive treatment strategies for people who are confident. New Directions is a therapeutic after-school program for adolescents who are in need of intensive structured therapy to address serious emotional and behavioral issues. This program provides community-based therapeutic services that may eliminate the need for more restrictive out-of-home interventions and placements and is relatively inexpensive. Checkers or comprehensive therapeutic services for developmentally disabled adolescents with psychiatric needs is for developmentally disabled and lower functioning adolescents and is a one-of-a-kind program for adolescents with complex needs. These directions runs Monday through Thursday from 4 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. You have family therapy sessions, intakes, evaluations, and psychiatric appointments that are scheduled out of regular program hours. Participation is available on a case-by-case basis with availability. They have monthly, weekend recreational and dinner outings, immediate response to all referrals. They work with you with payments, psychiatric evaluation, ongoing assessment, medication monitoring, individual, family, and group therapy, parent education groups and workshop groups, grief and loss, trauma and anger management groups, point and level system to chart treatment progress. All adolescents start off at level 1, which is the lowest, and aspire to level 4, which is the highest, where you have the most privileges and input into your treatment plan. And you have to be on level 2 to attend a monthly weekend recreational and/or dinner outing. For Checkers, they have therapeutic activities designed to enhance communication and social skills, and they have independent living, self-esteem and anger management groups, and when it comes to Wood and Tooley's 2006 frame of reference model, I say that when we are applying services to consumers that we work with, we are working quadrant A or working with clients on their own behalf. You can find this on page 8 because in the grand scheme of things, we are working with our clients in group therapy sessions. But when we obtain referrals, we're working quadrant C, which is working with others, for example, non-clients, for the behalf of clients. We get referrals from psychiatric hospitals, DCP&P, schools, parole officers, concerned caregivers, CMOs, or care management organizations based in Bergen State County primarily. And we work with another program that is ran through CBH Care called CARE, or Kearney Adolescent Residential Experience. They're at risk of being out of their homes. I see an issue with maintaining and enforcing an impact of the consumers I work with if their caregivers are not enforcing and applying what these adolescents are being taught at program, what they're acquiring. Many adolescents desire to attend a New Directions program twice a week, so I have to be chronological and thorough and critically analytical with written documentation of their progress. Has to be consistent. There are many adolescents active in the New Directions program with different adolescents coming in Monday through Thursday, and they typically attend the program for 6 months to a year for successful completion. Thus, it is innately difficult for me to put a name to a face. There seems to be lack of diversity with staff at these two programs. A lot of the interns look like me. And some of the consumers attending the New Directions program are there involuntarily court mandated, so it might be difficult to make a lasting impression with these consumers. And yeah. Here is where you can get referral information for the New Directions and Checkers program. Feel free to go on cbhcare.com or call them at 201-646-0333. And ComCare is located in Hackensack, New Jersey. Here's the referrals page, a lot of information about from the CBH Care website, and of course Wood and Tooley. And thank you for your time and attention.